Formula for a straight line drawn on a Cartesian plane is given by y equals 5x plus 8. So that's your equation. What you want to do, part A, it says, what's the gradient? Close, but not quite. So you need to realize that your general equation is y is mx plus c, where m is your gradient. So what would your gradient be? 5. Good. So your gradient is 5. All right? You're just lining up it with y equals mx plus c. Then, so that's part A done. Part B says, what is the y-intercept? So the y-intercept is 8, because that's what your C is. Good. Then the part C is saying, what's your x-intercept? How do you find your x-intercept? You have to work it out. And how do you work it out? You work it out when y is 0. So when y is 0, pay attention here because this is the tricky one. 0 equals 5x plus 8. So when I move this 8 over that side, it's negative 8 is 5x. Then I move this 5 over. And if I move this 5, it becomes division. So negative 8 divide 5. So that's your x point. So x, your x-intercept, therefore x-intercept is negative 8 over 5. Or if you put that in your calculator, 1.6. And that's your x-intercept. Alright? So that's gradient, that's y-intercept, and that's x-intercept. It is negative. You're right. That's negative 1.6. Are we together there? Okay. Part B. Alright, so part D says, does it pass through the point 220? So what do? You only have to focus on one. What you do is, where you have your equation is y equals 5x plus 8. Where you have x, you substitute 2, because you know that's your x value. You put 2 there. So y equals 5 times 2 plus 8. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Is our y point 18? No. So part D, for question D, does 220 lie on the interval? No, it does not. So you'd say no. 220 does not lie on the interval. All right, part E. Again, you've been asked, do the coordinates 3, 23 lie on the interval? What you do is, again, write your equation. Y equals 5x plus 8. So, where I have x, I put 3. So y equals 5 times 3 plus 8. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 8. Y therefore becomes 23. Is that correct? Does it match my y there?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Therefore, yes. You say yes. 323 lies on the interval. And that's